Craters and Impact, Understanding the Role of Celestial Collisions. Title: Craters and Impact, Understanding the Role of Celestial Collisions. Introduction. Craters, those circular depressions scattered across the surface of celestial bodies, offer a captivating gateway into the mysterious world of celestial collisions. In this article, we will explore the fascinating science behind craters, their formation, various types, and the crucial role they play in unraveling the mysteries of the celestial realm. Crater formation. Craters are formed when an object from space, such as an asteroid, meteoroid, or comet, collides with the surface of a planet, moon, or other celestial body. The impact creates an explosive release of energy, resulting in a range of effects. The size and force of the impact determine the characteristics of the resulting crater. Types of craters. Craters can be classified into several types, each distinguished by their distinct features and formation processes. The first type is known as simple craters, which usually form on rocky or solid surfaces. Simple craters are characterized by a bowl-shaped depression with a raised rim and a flat floor caused by the compression and excavation of impacted materials. Complex craters, on the other hand, occur when the impacting object strikes a surface with stratified layers of different materials. These craters exhibit more intricate features such as terraced walls, central peaks, and even rings of mountains. The complex crater's formation involves extensive fracturing and rebounding of the impacted surface. Impact processes. A celestial collision is a complex event with multiple corresponding processes. When an object crashes into a planetary or lunar surface, it releases an enormous amount of energy in the form of heat and shock waves. The intense heat vaporizes the impacting object, creating a transient crater around the point of impact. This vaporization results in the ejection of debris and the formation of a radial pattern of material called ejecta rays. Additionally, the impact shock wave propagates through the celestial body, causing further disruption and displacement of material. This shock wave, known as the seismic shaking, can trigger secondary effects, such as landslides, faulting, and fracturing of the impacted surface. The combination of these processes ultimately determines the shape, size, and characteristics of the resulting crater. Craters as a time capsule. Craters serve as essential markers of past celestial events and act as time capsules, preserving evidence of the history and geological evolution of celestial bodies. By studying impact craters, scientists can gain valuable insights into the age of a surface and the frequency of impact events over time. For example, on the Moon, the heavily cratered highlands are older than the relatively smooth Maria, whose formation corresponds to later volcanic activity. Impact craters also provide a window into the composition and structure of celestial bodies. By analyzing the ejecta material, scientists can determine the composition of the impacted surface and gain information about the interior composition beneath. This knowledge is particularly important when studying regions that are challenging to reach with rovers or landers. Implications for the solar system. The study of craters is not limited to Earth and the Moon alone, it extends to other celestial bodies within our solar system as well. For instance, Mars, our neighboring planet, exhibits a diverse range of craters that have played a significant role in shaping its landscape. The presence of ancient craters on Mars suggests a tumultuous past characterized by intense volcanic eruptions, massive impacts, and possible subsurface water. Moreover, the asteroid belt, located between Mars and Jupiter, is a reservoir of countless rocky bodies that have undergone both minor and major collisions. Scientists meticulously study the distribution of craters on asteroids to gain insights into the early days of our solar system and the formation and dynamics of planetary bodies. Craters and the search for life. Craters on celestial bodies have extraordinary scientific value in the search for past or present life beyond Earth. Impact events have the potential for creating favorable conditions for life. For instance, the impact craters on Mars may have provided transient habitats with liquid water and a protective environment from extreme radiation, enabling the possibility of microbial life. Additionally, studying craters on icy moons like Europa and Enceladus presents the opportunity to explore the existence of subsurface oceans and the potential for habitable environments. These icy moons have been bombarded by impacting comets and other objects, which could have contributed valuable organic compounds and energy sources to the sub-ice oceans. Craters and impact, understanding the role of celestial collisions, continued. The future of crater research. As technology and space exploration continue to advance, our understanding of craters and their significance will only grow. Missions to explore Mars, such as NASA's Mars rover missions, play a crucial role in collecting data about the red planet's craters and geological features. These missions allow scientists to analyze the composition and structure of Mars' surface, providing valuable information about its geological history. Furthermore, upcoming missions, like the European Space Agency's JUICE mission, will explore Jupiter's icy moons, including Europa and Ganymede. By studying these moons' craters and subsurface oceans, scientists hope to gain insights into the potential for life beyond Earth. Additionally, future asteroid sample return missions will provide scientists with pristine samples to study and further our knowledge of impact processes and the early solar system. Educational outreach and public interest. The topic of craters and impact events has captured the imagination of people around the world. Educational outreach programs, planetarium shows, and documentaries have helped raise awareness and promote scientific curiosity about celestial collisions. By engaging the public in the wonders of craters, scientists hope to inspire the next generation of astronomers and planetary scientists. References: 1. Hers, F. et al. 2013. Impact Cratering, Processes and Products. Treatise on Geophysics, 11, 61-97.